Hello students, welcome you all to the particular session of integral. Means in this session, I'd like to discuss about some more type of the integral of the particular functions. Like integral of 1 divided by x square plus a square will be 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Without square root, with square root, that is in the denominator form. But in this section, I'd like to derive three formulas. That's why I wrote already three formulas. That is integral of x square under root of x square plus a square. That is in the numerator. We already solved this one in the denominator 1 divided by square root of x square plus a square. So the formula for integral of x square plus a square will be x by 2 square root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. This part we already learnt by the denominator part. Means what is 1 divided by square root of x square plus a square log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus a square. That we know already. Based upon that, we are going to derive this. Here also under root of what is 1 divided by square root of x square minus a square, that is log of modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square. But in this particular part, what I am saying is, in the numerator form, as square root of x square minus a square will be x by 2 square root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of modulus of that denominator term that we have to write. What is integral of under root of 1 divided by square root of a square minus x square? It is sine inverse of x by a, but it is in the, if it is in the numerator, we have to memorize like this. Now I'd like to solve, means give the proof one by one. Okay, be ready. Focus on the board. I'd like to derive the formula integral of under root of x square plus a square. Okay, this given function can be written as integral of square root of x square plus a square into 1 dx. Okay, because we don't know directly how to integrate it. Okay, that's why I'd like to apply u into v, that is integration by parts. Okay, what's the integration by parts? That you are familiar. Square root of x square plus a square integral of 1 dx minus integral of, in bracket, integral of 1 dx d by dx of square root of x square plus a square into dx. Okay, the next step will be square root of x square plus a square. Integral of 1 will be x, it is, minus integral of 1 will be x. Square root function derivative will be 1 divided by 2 root of x square plus a square. Got it? X square derivative will be 2x. A square derivative will be 0. Leave it into dx. Fine. 2 will be cancelled. It will be, next part will be x square root of x square plus a square minus integral of x into x, x square. Denominator will be x square plus a square into dx. Now I need to adjust the part. See here, x square plus a square is there. That's why I'd like to write in the numerator adding a square, subtracting a square. Got it? The next step will be again very simple. It will be x square root of x square plus a square minus, I need to split the numerator part like x square plus a square by the denominator, a square by the denominator. It is integral of x square plus a square divided by square root of x square plus a square into dx. The minus into minus will be plus integral of a square divided by square root of x square plus a square into dx. Got it? Now the next step will be x square root of x square plus a square minus, in the numerator x square plus a square, in the denominator square root of x square plus a square, means the leftover term is square root of x square plus a square into dx plus a square outside, integral of 1 divided by square root of x square plus a square into dx. Understood the points? The next step will be x square root of x square plus a square. This is nothing but a given integral I. That's why I like to substitute this one as I plus a square. What is 1 divided by square root of x square plus a square? That we already derived. That is log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Now left side will be I minus I on left hand side. I plus I will be 2i x square root of x square plus a square plus a square log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Now I'd like to take 2 on right hand side. The formula will be x by 2 square root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Understood the part? Based upon this, I'd like to solve one example. Observe the example. Integral of under root of x square plus 2x plus 5. This one you have to take a quadratic equation. You already know by the completing the square. I simplified already this one. Integral of square root of, this is a simplified form, x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square into dx. Now very easy to apply the formula. X will be x plus 1, means wherever x is there I need to write x plus 1, wherever a is there I need to write 2 there. That's why it will be x plus 1 by 2, x replaced by x plus 1 by 2, square root of x square plus a square means x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square plus a square means, yes, it is 2 square by 2 log modulus of x. X means what? X plus 1 plus square root of x square plus a square is nothing but a x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square plus c. If you want, you can write one more step, x by 2 square root of, this is a simplified form, will be x square plus 2x plus 5. Got it? Plus 2 square will be 4, 4 by 2 will be 2 log of modulus of x plus 1 plus square root of, this simplified form means a quadratic equation, x square plus 2x plus 5. Got it? Observe the next property. I'd like to give the proof. It is y is equal to integral of square root of x square minus a square. We don't have any direct formula, that's why into 1 I'd like to take, means I can apply easily u into v rule. Got the point clearly? It will be square root of x square minus a square integral of 1 dx minus integral of, in bracket, integral of 1 dx d by dx of square root of x square plus a square, not plus a square, x square minus a square into dx. Square root of x square minus a square, integral of 1 will be x minus integral of 1 will be x, root derivative will be 1 by 2 root of x square minus a square, x square derivative will be 2x, a square derivative will be 0 into dx. Got it? 2 will be cancelled. It will be x square root of x square minus a square minus x into x, x square, denominator will be square root of x square minus a square into dx. In the numerator I need to adjust here, I need to take x square minus a square is there, that's why it is minus a square plus a square. Got the point clearly? After this one, splitting the numerator part. What is the splitting a numerator part? X square root of x square minus a square minus, it will be, how I have to write the terms? Concentrate, x square minus a square divided by square root of x square minus a square into dx. Minus into plus will be minus integral of, it is a square divided by square root of x square minus a square into dx. The next step will be x square root of x square minus a square as it is here. I can write in the numerator there will be two terms like a root of x square minus a square, two terms, one term will be cancelled, another term will be left over. Okay, it is minus a square integral of 1 divided by square root of x square minus a square into dx. The next step will be x square root of x square minus a square minus, this is nothing but a given integral I, that I had write the I minus a square. What is integral of 1 divided by square root of x square minus a square? It is nothing but a log modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Now left part is integral I here, left part, minus I on left hand side, it will be 2i is equal to x square root of x square minus a square minus a square log modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. the integral I is equal to, I'd like to take 2 on right hand side. It will be x square root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2. Here also x by 2 log modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c by 2 will be again constant c only. Got the point? Based upon this, I'd like to discuss one example. Observe the example. Integral of square root of x square plus 4x plus 1. By completing the square method, I already simplified it. Means this quadratic equation can be written in the standard form x plus 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square into dx. Means I can apply the formula very easily. X value is x plus 2, a value is root 3. Okay. Now it's very easy to apply. X plus 2 divided by 2 square root of x square plus a square means what? X plus 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square minus a square. A square means root 3 whole square divided by 2 log of modulus of x means x plus 2. Okay. Plus what is square root of x square plus a square? Below this I had write plus it is x plus 2 whole square plus root 3 whole square plus c. It will be continued here. Now I'd like to write the last step. X plus 2 divided by 2 square root of what is the simplified part? That is x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay. Square cancel. It will be 3 by 2 log modulus of x plus 2 plus square root of what I had write. What is the simplified form? X square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. Got it? Observe the next property that I'd like to prove here. It is integral of square root of a square minus x square. We don't have any direct formula, that's why into 1 into dx means I can apply u into v, integration by parts easily. It will be square root of a square minus x square integral of 1 dx minus integral of, in the bracket, integral of 1 dx. After that, derivative d by dx of square root of a square minus x square into dx. Okay. Square root of a square minus x square. Integral of 1 will be x minus integral of 1 will be x here. Okay. Derivative of square root term will be 1 by 2 square root of a square minus x square. A square derivative will be 0 minus x square derivative will be minus 2x into dx. Here 2 will be cancelled. X square root of a square minus x square minus integral of, don't multiply this minus with this means outside minus x into x, it is minus x square, means I can use for the denominator purpose. Okay, it will be into dx, means minus x into x minus x square. Here I'd like to alter this one, adding a square, subtracting a square, because it will be a square minus x square, means it is easy to simplify. The next step will be again very simple. It will be x square root of as it is term a square minus x square minus, splitting the numerator part, it is integral of a square minus x square divided by square root of a square minus x square into dx. What is minus into minus? Yes, it will be plus integral of a square by 2 square root of a square minus x square into dx. The next step will be again very simple, x square root of a square minus x square minus, what is a square minus x square? Root term will be, 2 terms will be there, one term is left over. Got it? Okay, another term will be cancelled with the denominator plus a square constant outside, 1 divided by square root of a square minus x square into dx. Now the next step will be x square root of a square minus x square minus, this is given a given integral I, minus I plus a square. What is integral of 1 divided by square root of a square minus x square? It will be sine inverse of x by a plus c. Minus I on left hand side, already I is there in the left hand side, I plus I will be 2I is equal to x square root of a square minus x square plus, okay, a square sine inverse of x divided by a plus c. Now I'd like to take 2 on right hand side, it will be integral I is equal to x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus c. Got the point clearly? Observe the example. Integral of square root of 4 minus x square is there under root. Under root as it is, 4 can be written as 2 square minus x square. Means I can apply this formula. In the place of a, 2 is there. In the place of x will be there. It will be x by 2 square root of a square means 2 square minus x square plus a square means 2 square by 2 sine inverse of x by 2 plus c. Got it? It will be x by 2 square root of 2 square will be 4 minus x square plus 2 square root 4 by 2 will be 4 by 2 will be 2 sine inverse of x by 2 plus c. Got the point clearly? I think you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to practice all the problems and properties. These properties are important for the examination point of view. Okay. And one more thing, try to understand all the parts in the regular way. Okay. Don't just try to find simple shortcuts. Like the video, share the video. Thank you, one and all.